Good morning, YouTube. Alright, modifying Wildgame Crush X20 game camera. I'm adding a DC port so that way I can get it to work with my external battery packs that I've been building, which are these little guys right here. And put a nice long cable. And so these have a lithium battery inside, and it's regulating the voltage to 6 volts because this camera uses 6 volts. It also did not come with a jack on it, so I put one in. Anyway, purpose is to show you how easy it is to modify this camera. Pretty easy. 2 screws here, Phillips, 3 screws at the top, 2 screws on the side, 2 screws on the other side. All tiny as hell, too. Oh, focus! Focus. There you go. Alrighty. So the problem under this plastic plate is the battery box. There's not much room underneath it. So soldered it into these tabs and ran it through here and out the side here. I'm going to take some silicone caulk, sealant, whatever, and shove it in that little hole. I normally like to put the plugs closer to the bottom. In case rain does get in it, it's going to be at the bottom and away from the circuit board. For this camera, that was a logical. This was a more logical choice. So that way I can still use the battery box if I want to, or I can use the plug. I also put it on this side instead of this side, obviously, because if I put it on this side, the door and the hinge and everything else is going to get in the way. Anyway, hope it helps somebody. Y'all have a good one. Bye.